Well, in this quick video, I'm gonna perform a circle first over this building over there. And by the way, that building is the Diamond Valley Eagles basketball stadium. So I'm gonna perform a circle over that, and then I'm gonna perform a Dronie. So that's just for you guys, just some of the quick shots on the DJI Mini 4K that I purchased not too long ago, and I'm having a lot of fun with. I thought I'm sharing some videos, some footages with you guys. I will be recording off my phone as like a screenshot, and I also will be recording from the DJI Neo and also from the Insta360 3S, which is gonna be hanging from my chest about here. Sounds good. Let's get into it. And up I go. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go to my camera and record it as well from the drone. So I am up and I'm going up a bit. So I'm just gonna spin around, go away, and then spin actually this way here, so the drone can actually see me. And once the drone can see me and it's spun all the way that way, I can actually lower the gimbal a bit. Oh, that's up. Lower the gimbal a bit. So as you can see, it's a great, beautiful day today. It's gonna lower it. I think I'm upsetting the live birds at the moment. They are getting a bit loud, but they will be fine. So if I lower the gimbal about here, as you can see, the exposure is, the Instagram is doing the best. It's on automatic, so it's doing the best to keep a good exposure on. What I'll do, so as you can see here from my chest, I've got the DJI controller. So it's the RCN1C. That's the newest one. And I've got the Neo or the DJI Mini K4 sitting here on my pad. So I'm about to get it started, get it going. The sun is a little bit funny, so as you can see on the Instagram, we have a bit of I don't know, it's sunny, a bit of cloudy here. So I'll show you, this is how the weather looks like. So I think the sun is just coming, the cloud is just covering the sun. In a few seconds it should be clear, and once it's clear I'll be ready to go. So I am recording. We're gonna start off the drone first.
Take off.
So the drone is now started, and what I'll do is I'm
saw, I just performed a Dronie and also Circle over this building over here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And also, as you can see, I always bring techs and do videos about techs and drones and cameras. If you are interested in that, make sure to hit me up in the subscribe button and watch my next video, which is just over here.